Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and I'm here to go over the engine mount and transmission set for the Honda Accord 2003 to 2007 models with the 2.4 liter engine and automatic transmission. So this is actually a complete engine and transmission mount set. If you look here, you'll actually see that there's 6 mounts included. There's the 3 main mounts and kind of the 3 like auxiliary mounts. So each of these mounts is a direct replacement for the factory mount, meaning you just unbolt the factory mount from the vehicle and from the engine or transmission, and this mount actually installs in the reverse order from the factory one. These two back here are more of kind of support brackets. You'll see they're much smaller, and these on the factory vehicle they break pretty common. It's pretty common for them to break because it's a much smaller mount. Over time, they kind of rot out. And then we have another supplementary bracket here. Now, one thing you always want to make sure you do when you're installing new engine mounts is you want to make sure you support the engine. And the reason that you want to support the engine as well as the transmission is when you're kind of undoing the nuts and bolts that hold the factory mounts in. If you're actually not supporting the engine, what's going to happen is as you're kind of undoing the nuts and bolts, the motor transmission is going to drop down, and you risk damaging not only the existing hardware, but you risk damaging parts of the motor and transmission. So you want to make sure you support it as you're removing the factory mounts. Now, if you guys have any questions about this mount set, if it fits your vehicle, about the installation, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help.